So let's open up this key fob. It goes to a 2023 Ford Bronco. All right, so at the bottom of the remote, there's a button we're going to push and hold, and then we can pull out the emergency key that releases it. Right here, it's a little release. And once we have that off, we're going to go ahead and turn it over like this. Use a flathead screwdriver. There's a slot right here that we're going to use to just pry open the back cover. Okay, you can see how it cracked open. And carefully go around and open it. And here's your battery. Okay. All we got to do now is pry it out. There's a little slot right here. It's very, very small. You can get the corner of your screwdriver in here and just work it out. We can take it out like this. Battery size is the CR2450, and there is a link down in the description box that takes you to Amazon where you can get a new one of these if you need them. They're cheap there, so check that out if you need one. Now the cover, we're going to put the top part in first, okay? I'm going to slide that in and work our way down, and it should lock and click, and emergency key goes in, locks, you're all done.